What's going on YouTube? In this tutorial, I just want to show you a pretty cool add-in that will allow you to play YouTube videos inside of your Excel sheet. So to get this add-in, you can just go to the Insert tab, and then towards the middle left, there's going to be an add-ins grouping, where you can then at the top click Get Add-ins. So going to the store, search, just type in video, and sorted by popularity, it's going to be the first option, Web Video Player. Click Add. You have to agree to the terms and conditions to use this, so just click continue. And here you can add videos from YouTube or Vimeo, and so just copy and paste the link to the video that you want to play in your Excel sheet. And this is pretty cool because you can have the box click to autoplay, which will just make it play whenever you open the Excel sheet. You can have the video start at a certain time if you want to play only part of it, or you can just have it start from the start. You can have it end at a certain time, a portion of it, or you can just have it play till the end by having it unchecked. So I just want to have it start at a certain time and end at a certain time because I only want to play a certain piece of it. Let's just say from the 33rd second to the 41st second. This is an Excel tour that I made, so just figured might as well. And then just click Set Video. Now we have a video in our Excel sheet. And clicking on play, it starts at the 33rd second. It plays a video. And it plays to the 41st second. You can resize it like you can other objects. So, whatever size fits your fancy. To reset it, click in the top right corner, click this bar right here. Then you can press reload, then it will reload. If you wanted to play it again. You can also have it to where it will just save as an image, so show a saved image too, if you wanted to. And as you can see, now it's not a video anymore. It looks like a saved image, which is kind of cool. But you can also uncheck that, and now it's a video again. So that said, I hope you found this to be useful, and I hope this will help you insert YouTube videos into your Excel sheet. I just thought this was a pretty cool add-in. Nearing 900 subscribers, so if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.